Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a quick overview of Sage Community, which is our internal department site that houses various information. Okay, so how do you go to Sage Community? Here is the CNM website. From the CNM website, you will find this menu called CNM Learn. Okay, click on that. Using CNM Learn, you will be able to log in into your CNM Learn account, and if you go to the top right corner here, you'll find the community menu. Okay, we are going to click on community. Here it will give you a list of the communities you belong to, and look through it and find Sage Community. Now, if you are a new employee, Sage Community might be the only community site you have, so it should be pretty easy to find. Okay. Now, in my situation, I belong to multiple communities in the college, so I have all of them listed here. Okay, so I'm going to go to Sage Community. Here is the Sage Community home site. These round icons are the discipline icons. These are all the discipline we offer here at Sage, and if you click on a specific discipline icon, it will lead you to that discipline page. Here the square icons are for different functions. Some of this you probably don't need. There's only these two I want to emphasize. The final measures icon, you will need it at the end of each semester to submit a final measures report for each of your class. Simply click on that icon and it will give you instructions on how to submit a final measures report. It's pretty easy. Okay. And then syllabi upload icon, you use this icon to upload a course syllabi at the beginning of each semester for each of the classes you are teaching. Okay. Again, if you click on this, it will give you instructions on how to submit. Pretty straightforward. Alright, now let's look at the discipline icon. If let's say that you are a math faculty and you want to check out the math discipline site, simply click on math icon. Here is the math discipline site. Okay. And here are the math classes we offer at our school. Let's say you want to check out Math 0970. Click on that. All the Math 0970 documented resources can be found under this folder. Okay, so there are also subfolders. You'll be able to look for what you need in each of these subfolders. For example, you can find the master syllabi, sample weekly schedules, some handouts and assignments our faculty have shared over the years, etc. Okay. Now, if you want to go to a different discipline, you can use this side menu, navigation menu, to go to a different discipline. For example, if you would like to go to the ESL discipline, simply click on the ESL menu, and you'll be led to the ESL page. Okay. Another menu I would like to point out is this faculty resources menu over here on the sidebar. Let's click on that. So under faculty resources, we listed a lot of our Sage policies and processes, from leave procedure to curriculum processes, etc. And if you are curious about a certain policy or process, this would be a good place to start. Now let's go back to Sage Community, and if you want to go back to Sage the home page, always click on Sage Home, and you'll be taken back to the home page. That's pretty much it. So this home page icons are useful. This side icons will also help you to navigate to the page you need. So I highly encourage you to spend some time and explore this site. You'll be able to find useful information to help you prepare for your classes and prepare for your first semester of teaching at Sage. Thank you.